Test, test. Cool. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brian from Becoming Legendary. Welcome to the channel here today. I have an interesting video. I'm going to take you inside the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Dashboard, and we're going to take a look at the leaderboard and show you how I am competing with some of the biggest YouTube channels in Legendary Marketer without having a big YouTube channel. So if you're interested in making more money with Legendary Marketer or affiliate marketing in general, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notifications, because the Becoming Legendary channel is all about helping you make more money with the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. So let's go ahead and get logged into the Legendary Marketer dashboard here. And by the time this video is published, this will probably be yesterday, so that's what, March 28th. We'll go ahead and go to the affiliates section here, and if we go over to the leaderboard, we're going to see that today Brian Brewer is on top. So pretty good deal there. Over the last 7 days, I'm top 6. And what you're going to see here is you'll probably recognize these names like Mark, also known as Big Mark. Nathan Lucas, also known as the Freedom Influencer. Okay, these guys have done very well for themselves over time. You see, all time, Nathan Lucas is the top earner for Legendary Marketer. Big Mark is the 3rd ranked all-time earner for Legendary Marketer. So these are the big boys. So the question really is, how did I outrank them today? How did I hit the top of the leaderboard? So that's the real question that I want to explore in this video. How does someone who doesn't have that huge YouTube channel with 400,000 subscribers, how does someone with a much smaller following go out there and compete and get to the top of the leaderboard for these affiliate programs? And it's actually a lot more simple than you think. And the real key here is you have to stop worrying about the size of your YouTube channel. Now, here's the main point of this video. Those names that I gave you, the Jay Browns, the Nathan Lucases, and the Marks, the big Marks, right? They have huge, massive YouTube channels. Their videos get big view numbers. And even with my other channel, I still have a fraction of the following that they do, yet somehow I'm able to find myself on the top of the leaderboard. And the reason for that is very simple. So let's take Big Mark and Jay Brown. I execute a very different strategy than they do with their content. You see, they create content that is very appealing to the masses. They create videos that are geared towards teaching people hacks or tricks or secret strategies to make money online. And then they come on in and recommend the Legendary Marketer program as their #1 way to make money online. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm not saying they're doing anything wrong, because obviously the Legendary Marketer program is a very good way to make money online. What I'm saying is I do it differently. I don't rely on huge view numbers. I don't need a huge channel for my way to work. And that's what I want to share with you right now, because I think as a beginner, it can be kind of intimidating when you see those big numbers and you think to yourself, gosh, I created 10 videos and I only have 5 subscribers. I'm never going to hit those numbers that you need to make a lot of money online. And I get that. And I don't want you to get frustrated, because YouTube is such a huge opportunity. Now, the key here is focus on the right metrics and the right numbers. And I think I'm proof that you don't need a huge YouTube channel to make a lot of money online. See, they implement a strategy where they cast a very big net, essentially sending their message out to everyone. Well, when you cast a big net like that, ultimately some of those people are going to take the bait. You're going to catch a few fish and you're going to earn some commissions. However, what I do is I focus on the strategy of bringing in only the people who are likely to follow through and purchase the offer. Okay, let me break that down in another way so you completely understand what I'm saying. And when you do, you're going to realize you don't need 100,000 views per video, because 1 view can equal 1 commission. And that's the strategy that I implement. So how do we look at this? Well, let's say we're going to promote the Legendary Marketer program. So what we want to do is we want to get in the heads of the ideal customer. Who are the type of people who could benefit from Legendary Marketer, and who are the type of people who can afford to invest in Legendary Marketer? Because if people don't spend money, we don't make money. That's the reality of affiliate marketing. Once you dive in and understand who your ideal customer is, then you go to YouTube and focus your channel on attracting only the people who represent your ideal customers, and you repel everyone else. That's the key to marketing. Let me state that again one more time because it's so important to understand. The key to marketing successfully, even in affiliate marketing, is to create content that attracts your ideal customer and repels everybody else. See, you don't want to be the jack of all trades. You don't want to be the biggest leader of the most general population. What you want to do is you want to be specialized. You want to be the assassin who's good at doing one thing and one thing only. Then you will attract the people who want to do that one thing. And when you make the recommendation to them, they will be highly likely to follow through on the offer that you're promoting. Guys, I hope that makes perfect sense. If you want to learn more about my strategies and my methods, the first thing you want to do is make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit bell notifications, and make sure and check out the other content that I have on this channel that is specifically designed to help you make more money with the Legendary Marketer program. And then what you want to do is you want to follow the first link in the description below. Go to my website, my15daychallenge.com. That way you can learn more about my methods, my strategies. You can copy my website. You can see my back-end follow-up process, and you can learn more about the Legendary Marketer program. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you all very soon. Have a great day. Bye now.